Hi everyone. I'm Noer Halimah from Indraprastha University. In this moment I will explain about what is computer-assisted language learning, or it can be abbreviated as CALL. As we know, the coronavirus disease began to spread in Indonesia since early 2020. Since then, the activities we usually do have undergone drastic changes. For example, we have to keep our distance from each other, we have to wear masks at all times, until we have to do learning and teaching activities at home. The teachers who must continue to teach from home so that education in Indonesia continues to run should have to take advantage of the technology that is available nowadays. Therefore, currently many educational campuses hold computer-assisted language learning courses for the purpose is that when they graduate they are ready to become teachers who can be in any situation and can take advantage of existing technology. Then, what is computer-assisted language learning? CALL is a program derived from CAL, computer-assisted learning, which is implemented to language, but the use of computer here is mainly aimed at providing a language learning tutorial program. In addition, CALL means students learn language in any context with, through, and around computer technologies. From both definitions, the main focus of CALL is on the application of computers in language learning. Furthermore, what are the advantages and disadvantages of CALL? Many educators indicate that the current computer technology has many advantages for second language learning. The following are the advantages as stated by many experts. First, interest and motivation. Classical language teaching in classroom can be monotonous, boring, and even frustrating, and students can lose interest and motivation in learning. CALL programmers can provide student ways to learn English through computer games, animated graphics, and problem-solving techniques which can make drills more interesting. Second, optimal use of learning time. The time flexibility of using computer enables students to choose appropriate timing for learning. The importance of flexible learning, learning anywhere, anytime, anyhow, and anything you want, which is very true for the web-based instruction and CALL. Learners are given a chance to study and review the materials as many times they want without limited time. Third, individualization. CALL allows learners to have non-sequential learning habit. They can decide on their own which skills to develop and which course to use, as well as the speed and level by their own needs. Last but not least, like it or not, students are forced to understand and take advantage of technological advances, which is a good thing so that they can keep up with the times. Although computer-mediated language learning or CALL provides many advantages for students and teachers, CALL also has several disadvantages where teachers must be aware of the barriers to its implementation in the classroom, especially in Indonesia. Among the obstacles are the lack of equipment available at schools. For Indonesian classrooms, this means that each school needs 4450 computers, as there are about 4450 students in each class, or 20-25 computer rooms if one computer is designed for every 2 students. Even the Internet requires a modem to service the telephone network, which means that schools have to spend more money on monthly telephone bills. Next, lack of trained teachers. It is necessary for teachers and students to have basic technology knowledge before applying computer technology in second language teaching and learning. Therefore, computers will only benefit those who are familiar with computer technology. And then, imperfect current call program. At present, the software of call mainly deals with reading, listening, and writing skills. There are some speaking programs have been developed recently, but their functions are still limited. A program should ideally be able to understand a user's spoken input and evaluate it not just for correctness but also for appropriateness. Speaking program should be able to diagnose a learner's problem with pronunciation, syntax, or usage and then intelligently decide among a range of options. In summary, call has certain advantages and disadvantages and teachers should know the strengths and weaknesses in applying call in ESL classrooms. It is agreeable that technological advancement and development has enabled the application of call programs in language learning and instruction, and it has become a new trend recently. Even so, computer technology still has its limitation and weaknesses. Therefore, we must first realize the advantages and disadvantages of current call programs before applying them to improve our teaching or to help student learning. In the end, we can avoid the mistake in employing call program and get the maximum benefit for our ESL teaching and learning.